Need a quick and easy crochet hat? Let me show you how to make it. We are going to start by making a magic ring, and we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So those 4 chains counts as our first triple crochet. Now to do a triple crochet, we are going to yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert your hook into the center of the ring, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Now we are going to yarn over again and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's your first triple crochet done. We're going to repeat that again till we have 3 triple crochets in total. Next, we're going to do a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. We're going to do that again, and we are going to do that one more time to have 3 double crochets in total. Now after that, we are going to go ahead and chain 1, and we're going to yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's a triple crochet. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to repeat the same thing we did here on this side, and we're going to start with 3 double crochets, sort of like mirroring what we did. So 3 double crochets, so we have 2 right now, and this is the third one. And after that, we are going to do 3 triple crochets. And don't forget, when you're doing 3 triple crochets, you yarn over twice. Next, we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to slip stitch into the center of the ring. So insert, yarn over, pull through and pull through the other loop on your hook. And now we are done with our heart. So now we are going to pull so that that ring can be small, like so. And I keep on pulling because I want it to close completely. So we're going to pull again so that it closes all the way. So to finish our heart, we're going to chain 1, and we are going to grab on our scissors, and we're going to cut the yarn, and we're going to fasten off. So from here, you can weave in your ends, and yeah, we are done with our simple beginner friendly crochet heart. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did, and please, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section.